let's take another example. Example 4. Find integration of x cubed minus 3x divided by x of d of x. So, solution. Integration of x cubed minus 3x divided by x dx can be written as integration of x cubed, we'll be dividing this by x again, dx minus integration of 3x upon x dx. So this will become integration, this x and this x cube cancel, we will be left with x squared dx minus x and x cancels off, so we will be left with integration of 3 dx. Okay, so integration of x squared is what? Raise the power 2 by 1, so it is x3 divided by 3 minus 3 differential integration of dx is x plus c. Okay, example 5. Integrate root of x into x plus 1 dx. So this is equal to integration of root of x into x plus integration of root of x dx. Okay, root of x into x and root of x multiplied by 1 gives me root of x dx. So we've split the expression into two expressions, right? So this will become, sorry, I forgot the dx. Okay, okay, so root of x is nothing but x to the power half, and this is 1. So from the law of indices, we know we just have to add the two powers. So this will become x to the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2 dx plus integration of x to the power half dx. So now it is of the form ax to the power n, ax to the power n. So you can easily find out this one. So integration of this is x, we increase the power by 1 and divided it by that power. Okay, this will be x to the power half plus 1, this is half plus 1, and we add the constant of integration. So it becomes, this is x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 is x to the power 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2. So we can take 2 on top and this will become, denominator will become 5 plus x to the power, this is half plus 1 is 3 by 2 and this is 3 by 2. So again 2 will come to the top and 3 will remain in the denominator plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, let's take now example 6. The gradient of a curve at a point xy is 12x cubed minus 1 upon x squared. And this curve passes through the point 1, 2. We have to find out the equation of the curve. So we have to find out what? Y is a function of x. We will get some expression in x. But we don't know that expression. But we have been given the gradient of that curve. Okay. Now since we know that the gradient of the curve is nothing but dy by dx at that point xy. So we can write like this. dy by dx is 12x cubed minus 1 upon x squared. So this is there. dy by dx is 12x cubed minus 1 upon x squared. Okay. We can rewrite this as 12x cubed minus x to the power minus 2. Now since we know if that differentiation is the reverse of integration. So if we were to integrate this and we were to integrate this, we would get the equation of the curve. So it's integration of dy by dx with respect to dx is equal to integration of 12x cubed with respect to dx minus integration of x to the power minus 2 with respect to dx. This is the same. If we integrate this one, we get back what? We get back y. So y is equal to integration of this one. Now let's integrate this one. So this is 12 x to the power 4 by 4 minus x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus and minus 1 divided by minus 1. This minus and this minus will become, so we can write this as x to the power 2, x to the power minus 1 by minus 1, okay, plus c. This minus and this minus will become plus, okay. So finally we get the expression as, and this 4 we can cancel with this 12. So this will become 3x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x plus c. So this is the equation of the y is equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x plus c is the equation of the curve. So, but now the only thing left is finding out the value of c. How can we find out the value of c? We already know that this curve passes through the point 1, 2. So since this curve passes to the point 1, 2. If we substitute the values of y and x in this one, we can easily get c. So what is the value of y here? This is x and this is y. So y is 2. So we write 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 1. So this is 3. 1 to the power 4 plus 1 upon 1 plus c. So 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus c. So what is the value of c? 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So finally the equation of the curve is y is equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x minus 2. Okay.